Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctors. Another quick observation regarding artificial intelligence. Uh, Initially, when ChatGPT started, the cost of running an artificial intelligence server was something like 400 to 500 million US dollars. So expensive. And something dramatically happened, which China, which graduates something like 100,000 AI engineer every year, got the fruit of these graduates. And they were able to do an artificial intelligence program called DeepSeek with a fraction of the cost, only 6 million US dollar. And now Alibaba have a huge amount of large language model, have also developed another AI program, very powerful, multimodal, called the Qwen 2.5. Why I'm saying this? Because I would think we need in the Middle East with the Arabic language to have our own artificial intelligence engine. It should be costing something like 7 or 8 million US dollar because the DeepSeek is an open source, which means I will give you the catalog how you can design and run an AI with this cost. So I hope some country in the Middle East will have this idea to develop artificial intelligence for the Middle East advantage. Number one, you will control your large language model. Number two, if you go through what it contains, large language model, Arabic books are very, very few. And that's why if you ask, let us say by Arabic language, certain topic, you get very, very deficient reply. So it's mainly English, Chinese, literature, and the whole internet and the whole YouTube. So we are missing a lot. And if we got a large language model, I would advise to include all the Arabic books that is found in all the university and all libraries in the world. Here we will have our knowledge base and our knowledge core in the large language model. Here we can benefit from it from the Arabic language, from the religious as well. You can have all fatwas using artificial intelligence. You can even start to take advantage of this large language model with Arabic power. I hope this happen. I know the Middle East have a lot of resources. This amount of money is being spent on a lot of very, very minor things, like just importing chocolate, for example. You spend something like 20 million US dollar from the Middle East. So I hope someone have the vision, and the power, and the money to invest and cause Arabic large language model. Just an idea, I would call it Sindbad, something from our old history. During my early years, I told you I'm a computer programmer. I used to write machine language code, and I've actually developed an Arabic game. I called it Sindbad. The only reason was I did feel bad that all the games in at that time computer called Sinclair or Commodore, as at that time very long ago, something like 50 years ago, there was no Arabic game, no Arabic programming at all. So I've just made this game. I hope to continue, but I was in the medical school at the time, so I did not continue. So this is just an idea about artificial intelligence. I hope it will reach the Ministry of Education in any country of the Middle East, and I hope we can develop our own artificial intelligence with large language model with emphasis on the Arabic civilization and the Arabic books and Arabic resources. I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.